Today's Thursday, February 9th, and this is the Morpheus Trading Group Daily Stock Pick video. Today we're going to show you a simple scan that we run when the markets are in a strong uptrend to identify some of the best potential breakout situations. These stocks are trading near 52-week highs with the relative strength ranking that is better than 90% of the stocks out there. Alright, to do this scan, all we have to do is go to the Preset Scans tab, where we select the country and the exchange is all. We click on Relative Strength Breakout, and then we hit the More Options button, and the menu appears. So we want to select the price range of 5 and greater and average daily volume of 250,000 and greater, and we click the Scan Now button, and we get 62 results. This list is something that you could easily go over in about a half an hour and should produce some of the best breakout candidates in the market. So we've already scanned through this list and found a few setups that we like, so let's get to the charts. The first setup is EXAS, Exact Sciences. After breaking above a downtrend line in early January, EXAS has consolidated in a tight range above the 20-day EMA. We look for a buy entry over this trend line, and we look for a 15 to 20% move from our entry as the target. Next up is AKRX, Acorn. After breaking above the downtrend line and attempting to break out last week, Acorn has basically pulled back to the breakout pivot here, so we could look for a buy entry over the 3-day high and look for a 20% move as a target over the next few weeks. Next up is ISRG, Intuitive Surgical. ISRG put in a pretty nasty reversal here, undercutting the 50-day MA and probably shaking out most of the longs. Since then it has recovered nicely and is now forming a tight range at the highs. We look for a buy entry over this range high, and we place a very tight stop beneath the breakout bar low or potentially Wednesday's low, as we either want to be right or right out on these type of setups. If ISRG falls through to the upside, we look for a target of anywhere from about 8 to 10% over 3 to 10 days. Next up is Biopharma, VPHM. This has made our watch list a few times over the past two weeks. The setup still looks great as it continues to consolidate in a tight range above the 20-day EMA. We would look for a buy entry above the range high with a target of 20% over the next few weeks. To receive our exact entry, stop, and target prices for the stocks and ETFs discussed in this video, as well as to see our top-ranked daily picks, sign up for our exclusive newsletter at morpheustrading.com. Thank you for joining us and good luck with your trading. We'll see you again with the next Morpheus Trading Group Daily Stock Pick video.